Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices and creating a direct link. Plug in chargers so the transfer won't abort, then enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both phones. Install MyMover on older Xiaomi or the MyMover receiver built into MIUI. If you're moving from Android with Google services, confirm Google Backup is up to date. On the source, grant storage and location permissions when prompted so apps and media can be read. Once done, open the transfer app and choose Sender versus Receiver to begin pairing. Now choose exactly what you want to move and why. Tap Contacts, Messages, Photos, Apps, and other files to include or exclude. If both devices are nearby and MIUI is available, use MyMover for a fast local transfer over Wi-Fi Direct. It preserves app data more reliably. If you prefer Cloud Sync, make sure Google Backup completed and then sign into the same Google account on the Xiaomi to restore. For very large transfers or slow networks, connect via USB OTG to copy a full backup directly. Finish by verifying critical items. Open Contacts to confirm entries, check messages, test apps, and browse your gallery to ensure photos and videos arrived. Make sure you sign back into apps that require authentication. App data sometimes needs you to log in again. If the transfer stalls or errors, stop, toggle airplane mode, reconnect Wi-Fi and try again. Many interruptions clear that way. If items are still missing, restore from the Xiaomi cloud or perform a targeted manual copy of the missing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.